Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP plugin on a Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go to our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and then go to the plugins section and find the tags. Okay, so here you have to click on download and request the plugin on your email. Please take note that the Tags plugin has only light free version available. There is no pro version of it. So the way to download the plugin is this one. Okay, so when you get the plugin, the first thing that you have to do is to extract the zip file and then go to the inner folder. You have to copy this one, RedmineUp/tags. Afterward, you have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our situation is Redmine 50, and then enter the plugins folder. Here you have to paste the plugin. Please take a note that it is the only plugin that has RedmineUp/tags. The others are Redmine/etc. This will be important for the migration, but we will see it after a couple of minutes. So the next thing that we have to do is to open the command line and run the bundle install. This command is installing the required gems for this plugin. The next one is the migration. It is done by the following command. Please, it is very important, take a note that into the name section here you have to put the plugin you are trying to install. So the other plugins, as we said before, are Redmine / the plugin's name. However, only the Tags plugin is RedmineUp/tags. Please, just to have a note that these are warnings for developers, so they are not going to harm the work of the plugin or do some errors. Just a warning for the devs team. Okay, so the migration is now done, and the very latest thing that we have to do is to restart our Redmine with touch temporary restart point.txt. So we go back into our Redmine and refresh the page. It will take a couple of seconds because the restarting of Redmine is taking some time. So we see that our Tags plugin has just arrived into the plugins list, which means that we have successfully done our job. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.